Ethereum just broke a major resistance level, and this sounds interesting. Make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome back to another Ethereum analysis. Now, it looks like we had a beautiful breakout candlestick. Like I did mention this morning that we could be looking to retest the highs over here at 1712, and it looks like that is exactly what is happening right now. We had this massive bullish candlestick break above the resistance level, and it looks like we will be retesting the highs over here at 1718 and possibly continuation. Now, this morning I did mention that you don't want to be looking to enter any sort of position until you have a confirmation. This is technically still not a confirmation. What we could see is a retest of these highs over here and then a rejection back down, or we could see a push above, retest this support or resistance, act as new support, and then continue higher. That is the move you want to be looking for a long position, right? You want to be looking for this level be retested and then continuation, and that is the perfect long opportunity. Now, again, looking at Ethereum, we can see that we sort of had this U formation with this breakout candlestick was the confirmation of Ethereum to continue higher. This was a beautiful confirmation on Ethereum, including on the lower time frames. If we go on the lower time frames real quick, we can see that Ethereum did break above, and now it is consolidating above once more. Again, this is still not confirmation. We could see that fake out move that I was talking about this morning where we see a massive red candlestick going back down. You want to be seeing how this hourly candle closes in the next 45 minutes to get confirmation. I do think we will retest these highs again because we broke above this resistance level. There was enough volume to be a consolidation and confirmation move, but you also don't want to get faked out, right? And this is what I mean by the fake out. You can see that Ethereum did break above right over here, but again had this massive move to the downside. That is what you want to be careful about. You do not want to be entering a long position and get caught out on that massive red candlestick. Again, you want to be looking for that retest level around these levels at 1612, 1615, and then continuation. Now, again, looking on the 4-hour candlesticks, you can see that Ethereum did kind of do this move prior right over here, right? If I were to zoom in on the charts here and get my brush tool, you can see that Ethereum did break out above the 1630 level, had that retest of support, and then continued higher. That is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. That's what the move you're kind of looking for. But looking on Ethereum right now, we can see that we did have a good move. I would like to see this level be retested and possibly a breakout formation. But if we fail, that is extremely bearish for Ethereum, and we could be retesting the support lines here, if not going a little lower down to the 1421 level. Now, again, guys, it is a good night to be, if you were in a long position, you did make quite a bit of money. And I mentioned that this morning and for the past few days that on Ethereum, guys, there is going to be a breakout formation. This was a confirmation that we are looking for long entries now on Ethereum and not for short entries. I mentioned that if you were looking for any short opportunities, we would want to see one of two situations. Number one, we break above resistance here and then fail, and that's a confirmation for a short. Or number two, we break below this support, retest this support as resistance, and reject and continue lower. That would be the confirmation for a short. There was two options here, and again, Ethereum did break out above. So now we're going to pay close attention, and hopefully in the morning we'll get confirmation of whether or not we can enter a long position. But for now, we're just going to watch this trade play out. I do see this level being retested again, guys. So for those of you that are looking at Ethereum right now, this is the level of interest for me at 1720. Anything else below that, it would just be kind of noise, and I will be looking for consolidation moves. If Ethereum were to consolidate at this support, this would be extremely bullish, guys. But again, we have seen Ethereum do quite a bit of fake outs over here where it has broken above right here, retested, made it look like it was going to go up, and failed to break, and then continued higher. That is the kind of move you got to pay attention to, because again, this would mean that you're basically placing your stop losses below these levels and making sure that your risk management, so you don't get liquidated going both ways. Just keep that in mind when you're trading Ethereum. It is extremely volatile, guys, so just pay attention to the lower time frames, and it'll kind of give you a better analysis of when to enter. Again, right now we are retesting the resistance as support. We haven't gotten that clear confirmation yet. We have not tested that red line yet, so I'll be waiting to see whether or not we can test that and then continue, or we can just see a massive move to the downside. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, make sure to like that video and hit that subscribe button if you want more. I'll see you guys tomorrow.